Hey there, I'm here to help you navigate this with clear, factual info based on official Finnish sources. Seeking asylum is a serious but protected process, and I'll walk you through it like a script you can follow. Remember, this isn't legal advice. Consult a lawyer or the Finnish Immigration Service, Migri, for your specific situation. Let's break it down as you asked. First, what is asylum? Asylum, also called refugee status, is a form of international protection granted by Finland to people who cannot safely return to their home country, or country of permanent residence, because they face a well-founded fear of persecution. This means there's a real risk of serious harm, and your home country's authorities can't or won't protect you. It's rooted in the 1951 UN Refugee Convention, which Finland follows, and gives you the right to live, work, and build a life in safety here. It's not charity, it's a legal obligation under international law to protect those fleeing danger. Next, what are the different reasons a person may get asylum? Finland grants asylum, refugee status, or related protections based on specific grounds. These are assessed case by case during your application. 1. Refugee status, asylum proper. You may qualify if you fear persecution in your home country because of your race or ethnic origin, your religion, your nationality, your membership in a particular social group, e.g., LGBTQ+ people, women facing gender-based violence, or ethnic minorities targeted for cultural reasons. Your political opinion, e.g., activism against a regime. Your home country must also be unable or unwilling to protect you, and there must be no safe internal place to relocate within it. 2. Subsidiary protection. If you don't meet the criteria for full asylum but still face serious harm, you may be granted subsidiary protection. This applies if there's a threat of death penalty or execution, risk of torture or inhuman/degrading treatment, serious and individual threat to your life due to indiscriminate violence in an armed conflict, like in war zones. This type of protection is one level below asylum but still allows you to stay and live safely in Finland. 3. Temporary protection. This applies during mass influx situations, like the arrival of people fleeing war in Ukraine. It's a faster, group-based protection that can last up to 3 years, renewable. It doesn't go through the same individual asylum process but offers similar rights such as residence, healthcare, and work permissions. Important note: you won't receive protection if you've committed serious crimes, e.g., war crimes, terrorism. Your claims are proven false or unfounded. Always give truthful details. Providing false information can lead to rejection or even a ban from applying again. 1. What to do, and not to do, once you've crossed the border. Crossing into Finland is your first big step. Congrats on making it this far. The key is acting immediately to start your protection clock. Here's the script. Do. Tell authorities right away, as soon as you arrive, at a border crossing, airport, seaport, or even if you've entered irregularly, say clearly, I want to apply for asylum. Do this to border guards, police, or airport officials. They'll register you on the spot with fingerprints, a photo, and basic info. Stay put and cooperate. Head to the assigned reception center, they'll direct you. Transport is free. You'll get food, shelter, basic medical care, and a daily allowance, around €5-10/day for essentials. Prepare your story, gather any evidence, documents, photos, witness statements, about why you fear return. Be ready to explain it consistently. Seek support. Ask for a free interpreter and legal aid, available via public counsel. If you're vulnerable, e.g., minor, disabled, mention it for extra help. Don't hide or delay. Waiting even a day can make your claim look less credible. Don't try to blend in without registering. It's illegal and risks deportation. Lie or withhold info. False details, e.g., fake identity, can lead to detention, rejection, or a 2 to 5 year entry ban to the EU. Leave Finland without permission. Travel to another EU country. Your claim might get transferred there under Dublin rules. First safe country handles it. Stick around for interviews. Break rules at reception. No drugs, violence, or unauthorized absences. Violations can pause your allowance or lead to removal. You're in limbo until a decision, but you're safe from forced return during processing. Then, one by one, each scenario, how to seek asylum. The process is similar across scenarios, but details vary by how/where you enter. Migrate handles all applications, but entry point affects speed. Expect 1 to 6 months for a decision, faster at border. Here's the script for common ones. 1. Scenario, arriving at a land border, e.g., from Sweden or Russia by car/train/walking. Step 1, at the checkpoint, approach the border guard and say, "I seek asylum." They'll take you aside for registration, ID check, fingerprints via Eurodac database to see if another EU country handles your case. Step 2, if it's a border procedure case, e.g., from a safe third country like Russia, or your story seems implausible, you'll be sent to a reception center or detention for a fast-track interview within 4 weeks. Otherwise, regular process. Step 3, transported to a reception center, e.g., in Helsinki or Jutseno. Attend your personal interview, 1 to 2 days, with interpreter, tell your full story, why you fear persecution. Step 4, wait for decision. Positive. Get permit. Negative. Appeal to administrative court within 21 days. Tip, land borders are monitored. Irregular crossing might mean brief detention, but you still get to apply. 2. Scenario, arriving by air, e.g., flight to Helsinki Airport. Step 1, at passport control, don't show a visa, tell the officer, "I'm applying for asylum." They'll pull you out of line for registration, same as above, fingerprints, photo. No entry stamp yet. Step 2, if from a safe country of origin, low recognition rate, e.g., some Balkan states, it might go accelerated. Otherwise, to reception center. Step 3, same interview process. Air arrivals often process quicker since you're already inside the terminal. Step 4, decision and appeal as usual. Tip, if you flew via another EU country, Dublin rules might send you back there, mention any dangers immediately. 3. Scenario, arriving by sea, e.g., ferry from Estonia or boat crossing. Step 1, dockside or upon landing, alert port authorities or border police, asylum application. Registration happens on site. Step 2, sea arrivals can trigger border procedure if irregular, e.g., small boat. Expect transport to a coastal reception center like in Mariehamn. Step 3, interview focuses on your route, explain any safe third countries, past, e.g., Estonia. Step 4, standard wait/decision. Tip, weather/rescue situations. Coast Guard will direct you to apply anyway. 4. Scenario, already inside Finland, e.g., entered on tourist visa, overstayed, or slipped in. Step 1, go immediately to the nearest police station or migrant reception center, find locations at Migrate.fi. Say, "I want to apply for asylum." No border involved. Step 2, registration there. If you've been here 3 months without applying, it might raise credibility flags, but you can still apply. Step 3, to reception center for interview, may take longer, up to 6 months. Step 4, same outcomes. Tip, don't work illegally pre-application, it could hurt your case. In all cases, submit any documents, attend follow-ups if needed, and get free legal help. If family is with you, apply together. Last but not least, don't feel guilty, it's your basic human right, and it's Finland's duty to protect you. You're not taking anything, you're exercising a fundamental right under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 14, and EU law. No one chooses to flee, it's survival. Finland signed these treaties, so it's their legal duty to fairly assess and protect you if eligible, not yours to prove worthiness beyond your story. You've shown courage crossing borders, now let the system work. If guilt creeps in, talk to counselors at reception, they're there for this. You're human, deserving safety. Proud of you for taking this step. What happens next once you get temporary asylum, or initial positive decision? Temporary asylum likely means your first residence permit, valid 3 years for refugee/subsidiary status. Immediate wins, no deportation risk. You get a residence card, apply via Migri. Right to live anywhere in Finland, work, no permit needed after 3 months, and access healthcare/education like citizens. Integration kickoff, mandatory program, free Finnish/Swedish classes, job training, cultural orientation, 6 to 24 months. It helps you settle, many find work in 1 to 2 years. Family ties, after 4 months, apply to bring close family, spouse/kids under 18, if they were part of your claim or fled with you. Long-term path, before 3 years end, apply for extension, another 3 years, or permanent if stable. After 4 years total, eligible for citizenship if you learn the language and integrate. Daily life, reception allowance stops, switch to social benefits or wages. Travel. EU free movement after 5 years. If things change, if home improves, you can return voluntarily, with help. But revocation only if you commit crimes or safe conditions arise. Track your case at enterfinland.fi. For urgent help, call Migri at +358 295 430 431 or visit a center. You've got this, reach out if you need more tweaks to this guide. Stay strong.